Hey everyone, it's Alex Ward here, your favorite broker owner of Maxwell Devonshire Realty. The January stats are out, and surprise, surprise, sale totals are down versus last year and 2021. This should come as no surprise to anyone, as we've been predicting that this year will be a slower year than the last two, but that's to be expected. The last two were record-breaking years. 2023 should be what 2020 would have been if 2020 didn't happen. But the overall numbers don't tell the true story because it really depends on the price point that you're looking at. Yes, overall, we're in a balanced market of just over 5.25 months of inventory. Overall prices have gone up about 2%, so the average home is now being sold at $370,000. Yes, days on market has increased to 66 days. Yes, we're about par for the number of sales from December, and we're down about 400 from last January. But again, these numbers don't tell everything, because depending on your price point, which we'll talk about in a second, it really depends if you're in a buyer's market, a seller's market, or a balanced market. As you can see here, our months of inventory is starting to plateau. We're now just at 5.27 months of inventory, which is a balanced market. But if you look from January 2023 to January 2021, you'll notice that the number of sales is actually a lot closer than you might think. As well, the total number of listings is less than it was back in 2021. The number of new listings is around the same number. The months of inventory as well is at 66 days, or not months of inventory, number of days on market is at 66 days, right where it was in January 2021. But this is where things really get interesting. You'll notice the majority of single family detached home sales is occurring between 300 to 500,000. If you're purchasing in this price point, you might actually be experiencing a seller's market depending on which community you're looking in. On the contrary, if you're looking above 600,000, you're probably experiencing a buyer's market, which means you're having a little bit more leverage. Overall, though, this means that we're in a balanced market because we have a seller's market on the lower end and a buyer's market on the higher end. So we're overall looking quite balanced. The other thing we want to take a look at is prices are up from January 2021. Even though rates continue to rise, we are seeing prices staying steady, if not increasing, over 2021, which is a good sign going into the rest of 2023. Now that we've had a chance to look over the stats, if you have more questions, reach out to us. One of our professional associates would love to chat with you and talk about whether right now is the right time for you to be buying or selling a home. Reach out to us in our Edmonton office at 780-438-2500 or our Sherwood Park office at 780-464-7700. Or of course, visit us on our website at www.maxwelldevonshirerealty.com or any one of our social media platforms searching Maxwell Devonshire Realty.